Hello students, good morning. This class is for class 3 English literature class. And today we are going to start new chapter 9, The Jinn in the Jar. Once upon a time there lived a young fisherman. He used to go to sea shore every day to catch fish. One day he got up by dawn and started off for seashore. He cast his net as usual and waited for his catch. When he pulled his net out, he found it heavy. What could it be? Fisherman said to himself, "No fish, at least, can be so heavy." And indeed, there was no fish in the net. Instead, there was a big golden jar shining in the moonlight. Okay. Let me try my luck. It seems I am in for something precious, he thought. He removed the lid and out came the black smoke. He stepped back in fear. The smoke went up and sideways. Soon all the smoke from the jar was out. To this great surprise, the fisherman saw the smoke turning into a jinn. What could be the poor fellow do? He took to his heels at once. The jinn took a step forward and with his long hand he caught the fisherman by the neck. "Come now and let me make a meal for you. Don't you see how hungry I am?" said the jinn. "How do I know that? Moreover, why should you kill me and when I have freed you? You should be thankful to me, shouldn't you?" said the fisherman in a weak voice. "Rubbish! What do I care for that? I'm hungry and that is excuse enough for me to kill you," shouted the jinn. Hearing these words, the helpless fisherman felt nervous. How should I save myself from this jinn? That was his immediate problem. An idea suddenly flashed across his mind. He said to the jinn, "Since I must die now, would you grant me last wish? Kindly tell me how you got into the jar. You are so big and tall. I can't believe that a person of your size can get into the jar through its narrow neck." "Why, it is so easy," said the jinn, and in a moment he turned himself into smoke and got into the jar. The clever fisherman was waiting for this moment. Without losing a second, he placed the lid on the jar and threw it back into the sea. So this was our story. You go through the story, read it. If you had any problem anywhere, you will ask me, okay? And after reading this story, you will do these new words. You will learn the new words and write it in your copy. This much for today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.